Hi, boys and girls. Miss Frank here to do the daily calendar review. All right, so we are finding out the next piece in our pattern here. So I'm up here at my core and I have sun, sun, flower, flower. So here on my pattern, the next piece I have a sun and then another sun. So what is going to come next? Were you right? I was right. It was a flower. So we have sun, sun, flower. Okay, so we're getting ready to finish up that piece of the pattern and we will continue on going. All right, so boys and girls, today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. All right, and if today is Thursday, what was yesterday? Wednesday, excellent. And if today is Thursday, what is tomorrow going to be? Friday. It will be Friday. So I have yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Excellent. And if today is the 7th, what was the day before? The 6th. Good. And if today is the 7th, what's the day after? The 8th. Excellent. All right, getting ready for that spiral review. All right, label the pattern using the letters A and B. So on your paper, you don't need to get the dots down. You just have to get the letters down. So I have blue and orange. So how would I label that? All right, let's go ahead and practice this together. If you are not done yet, boys and girls, you can always press pause. Okay. All right, so I'm going to get ready. So I have an A here, because I always start my pattern with A. Oh, and I have the same color, so that's also going to be an A. All right, now I changed color, so it can't be an A. It has to be a B. Ooh. And then I have another B, because it is also orange. Oh, that B was wonky. All right, so A, B, B. So now we know the blues are A's and the oranges are B's. So I can label this as a and this as a A. And then these oranges as what? B's. Yeah, I can make that a B and this a B. Okay, so I have an A, B, B, A, B, B pattern. Excellent. All right, here we have a number bond. We need to figure out what is our whole here. So I have 2 and 1 to make what is that whole? 3. 2 and 1 is definitely 3. Excellent, guys. All right, let's keep it rolling. I have 7. What is 1 less? What is 1 less than 7? Okay, so if I have 7 and I take 1 away, that answer is going to be 6. 6 is 1 less than 7. Okay. And last one. This one's super quick. We're going to count by tens. We know each of these rods is worth 10. All right, so I've got 10 and 20. So if I'm going to write a 20, I can write a 2 and a 0 to make 20. All right, guys, I love you so much. I miss you. I will see you also very much soon. And have a great day. Bye.